Morning, Sophia. Today, Mrs. Craig wants you to do some math subtraction bowling. So that's what I'm here today to do with you. So I've set up my sponges. I have 20 sponges. Can you imagine that? 20 sponges here. I got my lacrosse ball. It's a very hard ball. And I'm gonna roll and see how many I can knock down. Here we go. First one. Oh no. Right, so that one, I didn't get any down, 0. So let's go back to the worksheet and see what we should put down.
All right, Sophia, so I'm at my paper now. So this is the same one that Mrs. Craig gave you. So my first roll, I started with 20. I didn't knock any over, so that would be 0. So if I had 20 and I didn't knock any down, then I'm not taking anything away, so I'm still left with 20. So then my number sentence will be 20. So it's the first number is always the number you start with. So 20 pins minus no pins knocked down still equals 20.
Okay, I'm gonna try again, see if I can get more than 0. Okay, so out of 20, I've knocked down 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pins. Let's go back to our worksheet.
Okay, back at the paper here. My second roll, Sophia, I started once again with 20. I always start with 20 for this bowling today. I knocked over 4 sponges or 4 pins. Now I know that I have 16 pins left. You might be able to do that right away, or you might need a 10 frame or a number line or some manipulative counters, or you could do it my way too. So my number sentence will be 20 sponges minus the sponges I knocked down, which was 4. And that equals whatever I have left, which is 16 pins or 16 sponges still standing up.
Okay, Sophia, I'm gonna do one more time because the wind out here is blowing the sponges away, so it's hard for me to roll when they're blowing away. So here we go, last attempt. Whoa! So out of the 20 sponges, I knocked down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I knocked down 6 sponges. Let's go back to the paper.
And my last bowling session started with 20. This time I knocked down 6. I feel like a superstar. So I know that if I knocked 6 down and I started with 20, that I have 14 left. So my number sentence will be 20 sponges minus 6 sponges that I knocked down gives me or equals 14 sponges still standing up. I cannot wait to see what you used for your bowling.
All right, Sophia, it was great bowling with you today. Like I said, I can't wait to see what you used for your bowling pins, and whether you went outside or you just did it in your house today. Later on, I'm going to be reading some of those epic books about seasons, and we'll see what I do for that. All right, until later. Bye, Sophia.